Sabaho everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I want to talk to you guys about the number one question I've ever received on any video, anytime I've ever made videos, specifically videos obviously about Galaxy devices. And that's, how did I customize my lock screen to show Goku on it with the Ultra Instinct floating option? Well, there's been an update to that one and now there's a new version of it. And of course, there's also the nice little water dropping out of the Galaxy S10 Plus. I'm going to show you guys what are the best options and resources for you to be able to customize the lock screen on your Galaxy device. This is TK, let's check it out. Like and subscribe and always hit that bell icon so that you're notified whenever we put out new videos on the channel. Now, not that long ago, I showed you guys an application called Hideyhole. Hideyhole has a really good selection of wallpapers. These are static wallpapers, not video wallpapers, and they're customizable basically based on the device that you're using. You can customize it to be specifically for the S10 Plus, S10e, or S10. And of course, you can go in there and change those wallpapers to whatever you want. And of course, just customize it by just selecting the device that you want. So here for me, I want all the wallpapers that are specifically made for the S10e, not the S10 Plus. Although, as you can see here, I'm actually using an S10 Plus, basically wallpaper on my S10e. There's no issues there. And of course, you can download some of these really cool wallpapers, Dragon Ball, any other theme. Now, all of this information is coming from a specific source, right? I mean, this application is not creating all of these wallpapers. It just does it a really good way of basically providing an aggregate list of them, and installing them becomes very, very easy. Now, the list itself is being pulled straight off of Reddit. So if you go into the settings, you'll notice there's a Reddit option here. And when you click that, it'll take you directly to the r/S10 wallpapers subreddit. And this is essentially where the repository of all of these things are in there. The really cool thing about it is it's not limited to pictures. We have the ability of actually going in there and selecting different videos, and you just have to kind of go through the list and search, and you can actually find some really good resources. So like right there, we have some nice little options there. We have the Volt Tech, and of course we have little options here as far as, I think this is like Alice falling down the rabbit hole. There's other options here with like Hard Rock Cafe. And then once you find, let's say, a specific thing, that even if it's a video, or let's say specifically here, it's a picture, you can download it and apply it as a wallpaper by just going directly into your gallery. So in this example here, I'm going to go into my gallery. I only have one item in here, and I downloaded this video straight off of it, and I'll make sure to give you guys a link to that in the description. And then once I'm done, all I have to go is say here, set as wallpaper. By default, it does not actually set this as your home screen. It goes specifically to your lock screen. And it has to be done, by the way, using the default gallery app. So if you're using any other applications, just keep in mind that won't work. Once you say that, you say set wallpaper, it'll take you into this option. If you want to edit it, shorten it, heighten it, you can kind of get a preview there, and I'll just say set the wallpaper, and I'll just say home. Once that's done, all you have to do is lock your phone, unlock it without opening up, or basically turning it on without unlocking the lock screen, and then you get to enjoy this all the time. And now every time I want to check my notifications, even if my notification comes right above it, I get to enjoy this brand new version of the Ultra Instinct Goku, and it just looks absolutely fantastic. Here is also another one that I showed you guys, and I saw this over. It just really looks very unique, where the water's coming out from the cameras, and this is obviously specifically made for the S10 Plus. There is another version that's made specifically for the S10 and the S10e. You can go through and make sure to check all the links in there, and the Reddit forum is basically one of the best resources you can do to customize it. Now, keep in mind, a lot of people will basically say, well, this is a battery drainer. You know, this only stays on for the amount of time that you're looking at it on the lock screen. So for the most part, even if I don't do anything and I just turned it on, for the longest time about this is maybe 5 seconds at the most, and the screen will turn itself off. So it didn't recognize a face. It's going to give it a few more seconds, and it'll just lock itself off, and it's not going to be an issue. This will not drain your battery. It is definitely more than just having a regular lock screen, but it's something that you want to keep in mind, that it just makes it so unique that only Galaxy devices have this, which makes it very, very nice. Overall, Hideyhole is definitely the best resource for static wallpapers for your lock screen and your home screen. And if we go deep dive a little bit further into the r/S10 wallpapers, we have the ability of finding wallpapers that are video specific. So things like the one I showed you today are specifically available there. You can download them and then follow the instructions by using the gallery application and assign it to your lock screen. Conversely, you can actually take a video yourself using the back camera or the front facing camera and assign that as the lock screen option. You just have to edit the duration of it so that it actually looks good on the lock screen. But other than that, let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think of these options? And do you love that feature about Galaxy devices? And do you miss it whenever you switch to another device, or if you upgrade to a phone that does not have that option? For me, that's literally like one of the most unique things about Galaxy phones that I've always loved about this, and it's been around for a while, like since the S8, S9, S10, Note 8, 9, and 10, and I'm sure the Note 10, as I just mentioned, will definitely have this, as this is one of Samsung's unique features that I love that they have and they've kept, and hopefully will keep for quite some time. Like and subscribe as usual. Thank you very much for the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.